In this video, I'm going to show you how I average a $27 cart value selling the same digital planners that you can find over on Etsy for $4.95. Make sure you watch this entire video as I show you how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com if you want to learn how to sell your own digital products step by step. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt and I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. As I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you how I average a $27 cart value selling the exact same digital planners that you can find over on Etsy for $4 or $5. So the first thing that I want to show you is I want to show you this webpage, and this webpage sells digital planners. In fact, I got the idea to sell digital planners simply from Etsy. I saw that people were putting in a lot of time, energy, and effort to create these digital planners, but they were only selling them for $4.95. Now, one of my biggest gripes about Etsy is that it severely limits how high you can grow your business. Yes, there are people that are making thousands of dollars, $10,000 per month creating digital products over on Etsy, but how much more could they potentially make if they sold them themselves? So let me just show you. I'm going to scroll through here. This is a very basic site. In fact, some people would say the site is ugly, but it works. So what I do is I create a sales page over on ClickFunnels. There's a 2-week free trial for ClickFunnels in the description to get started yourself. And what I do is I create the basic web page. I create this basic landing page and web page. And when people come to this page, they enter in their name and their email address, which is key number 1. And then they get taken over to the sales page. First, I sell the digital product for $17. This is actually a bundle of planners, and you can go to the yourlifeandplanners.com to see this yourself, but this is a bundle of planners that you can find essentially over on Etsy. When people see this, they scroll down and then they see that they can actually buy planner stickers as well. This is called an order bump. This allows me to make more money on a single sale than just selling it over on Etsy. For example, we know that people that buy digital planners also want planner stickers. And so not everybody, but a good portion of people will click this and say, yes, I want the planner sticker. When they add that to their cart, it automatically bumps up the sale from $17 to $49. So just that quickly, I potentially could make $49 off of a single sale. Whereas if you were selling it over on Etsy, A, you're limited to $10 at most. B, Etsy's going to take a cut. C, you're not able to access your customer's email address. And that's the other key. Because I'm selling these digital products on my own, if the customer never buys the product, at the very least, I have their email address where I can sell them additional products. In addition, if they buy this, I can put them in a buyer's list where they may buy something else down the line. So this is just the first page. If we go back over and I click on Upsell, I have one upsell where people might be interested in adding it to their cart. So if we just show this real quick, this upsell is designed to help the customer even more. We know that the customer wants to organize their life. Maybe they want to organize their finances as well. I have an upsell for $47. Now, again, not everybody's going to take it, and that's okay. What's important is I'm offering them another opportunity to sell an additional product. When we scroll here, again, this page is not one that I would call beautiful, but people do elect to take this upsell. The beautiful thing of this setup is that you can hire someone over on Fiverr to create all of this for you, and then you just sell it and you can make the money over and over again. So that is the third way. So the first way is to sell the product yourself. The second way is to add an order bump, as you saw on the previous screen. The third way is to add an upsell. The next way, and this is kind of sneaky, is if I go over to the thank you page right before they access their product, if I open this again, I offer them affiliate products. So again, they purchase the initial product. They only see this page if they've purchased the initial product. They purchase the initial product. They maybe decide to take the order bump because I'm offering them over 2,000 planner stickers. Who wouldn't want that? 2,000 planner stickers where they don't have to go over to Etsy or anywhere else to buy them. Then at the very end, maybe they're interested in a planner or a calendar or even a desk organizer. If they click on any of these links here, they are affiliate products where I can make even more money. So these are all the different ways to make even more money. So let's recap. I sell the product myself for a higher price. I add an order bump, so that's way number 2 to make even more money. I add an upsell page, and then I add affiliates on the thank you page. Oh, by the way, I can add even more products in the membership site where they access their actual products. So if I show you that, I'm gonna click here one more time. I'm gonna go to the members area. And again, you can check this out for yourself if you go to yourlifeandplanners.com. If I click on open editor, and then click on preview here, all of this is real estate where I can add even more products. If I wanted to, I could sell them a coaching course that either I create or that I could be an affiliate for right here. I can add, as you can see here, I have an unadvertised bonus where I am an affiliate for a product. If I click on this here, I could add even more information. I could add my favorite things where I'm an affiliate for Amazon. When they click on those links and they buy anything within 24 hours, I can earn a commission. So that is at least 7 different ways that you can make even more money selling digital products. So just to recap one more time, because I've covered a lot, you can sell the products for a higher price. You can add an order bump, something you can't do over on Etsy. You can add an upsell page. You can add affiliate offers on the thank you page. You can add affiliate offers in the membership site. You have access to their email address, and there is just a number of opportunities. You can also add affiliate offers in the product once you deliver it. There's 7 different ways that you can make even more money simply selling your own products. Now, the question will always be, how do I sell the products myself? Again, you can use ClickFunnels, but then how do you promote the product? How do you market the product? And the marketing the product is actually really easy. You can market the product with Pinterest or Facebook groups or TikTok or YouTube for free. If you want to pay, which I do, is I actually run paid ads to this product. You can run paid ads with Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, anywhere that you can pay to get in front of people. That's actually going to give you your results much faster. But as you can see, this actually works out pretty easy. And while it's not the exact same products as Etsy, this is going to be in the same category. So if you want to learn how to do this yourself, go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com and you'll learn how to do this step by step. Now, the cool thing with a website like ClickFunnels, and again, there's a ton of them out there. The cool thing with these software builders is there's a ton of templates. Now, if we go back over to funnels here, I'm just going to quickly show you that there are templates that you can use and you just need to adjust them to your liking. If we click on build new funnel here, we can go down to sell a product, sell your product, click choose. And then we can either do membership, which I like to do, or you can do a sales funnel. So we're just going to do sales funnel just to show you. And I'm going to say new tube, and we're going to click build funnel. And then as you can see, there are going to be a number of templates that you can use, which will make your life much easier. As you can see, it's already set up for you. You don't have to do a lot of thinking. They have a landing page where you can collect your customer's email address. Then they have a sales page where you can actually sell your product and talk about the product's features and benefits. The order form is where you'll actually collect the payments. And then the order confirmation is that last page, that thank you page, where you can sell them even more affiliate products. It's really easy to set up. And again, if you want to learn more, if you want to get started, I do have a 2-week free trial. The link will be in the description. It'll be the second link for you to get up and running with ClickFunnels. Now that you know step by step how to make even more money selling digital products, click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com to learn step by step how to create and sell your first digital product. That ebook will show you step by step everything that you need to know to create and sell your first digital product fast. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.